Garlic bread pizza is so amazing. I used to make it all the time when I was a kid, and now it's time to show Zach how to make it, because I think he'll really enjoy it. So let's get started. First thing that we're gonna do is make some pizza sauce. So grab some crushed tomatoes. Then we're gonna add about a tablespoon of dried herbs. This is basically an Italian seasoning. Then this is a raw sauce, so we're gonna add just a little pinch of sugar, some crushed red peppers, some salt, some crushed black pepper, microplane in some garlic. This is gonna be a really garlicky dish, but I like garlic. A little splash of vinegar. Just use whatever you like. Now just give this a stir. And adjust the seasoning. And you have some pizza sauce. Now we're gonna grate some low moisture mozzarella. It's so dangerous. All right, so we got some low moisture mozzarella. I just like the boar's head pepperoni. It tastes really good. I don't know why I'm risking it though. You just cut it up. So I got this ciabatta bread, but French bread is typically what you do this. I'm not trying to be like special or extra or anything. Just cut this in the middle. Just cut it down. Garlic, and by some, I mean an absolute crazy amount of garlic. Just rough chop this garlic. This is called a rocker chop, and it's just fun to do. So in with the butter, let this melt gently. This is gonna be a lot of butter and a lot of garlic, but that's okay, because this is the way I like it. Then you just add in your garlic. We're also gonna add some crushed red peppers, some salt, because you need to season your food. Cook this down for like 5 minutes until everything is like cooked and fragrant. Once your garlic's done, just spread it all over your bread. Spread it as evenly as possible. It doesn't have to be perfect though. Now we just toss on some pizza sauce. Do as much as you want. You're just gonna top this with mozzarella. I like it really cheesy, so I'm gonna use all of it. You can use whatever toppings you want. I'm just gonna use pepperoni because we're just keeping it simple. This is how we used to make it when we were a kid. We're gonna top this with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Toss this in a 425-degree oven until it's done. Probably like 15 minutes. You just want it nice and like heated through, melty and crispy. So this has been in the oven at 425 for about 15 minutes. Everything is melted and crispy. Now you just wanna give this a couple minutes to wait so you don't burn your face off trying to eat it. I like it with a little bit more Parmesan and a bunch of crushed red peppers. Oh my God, that's so many. I like it. So we have here the garlic bread pizza with pepperoni. Use whatever toppings you want. It's gonna be delicious. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button and I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna go eat. Oh, it's hot. I burned my lip.